actually, from its name, no, we know about tilapia, and then yung UPV spin, the spin actually stands for Spirulus exniloticus. That's a little bit too technical, scientific siya. But basically, those are two species, right? So Oreochromis niloticus, Oreochromis Spilurus, ayon. So, anong difference niya with other tilapia? Basically kasi yung tilapia natin, it's freshwater, but our spin tilapia is actually high tolerant to high salinities, meaning hindi siya namamatay kahit itapon pa natin siya sa high salinities. We have a technology na we are able to check kasi we do sex reversals na, 'di ba? So we're able to check to find out kung sino sa kanila yung YY. Kasi if tignan lang natin, we can't really know the insides. Think of
Oh,
it like, it's not X-ray, but think of it like as like,
chromosome
na parang
ray.
makita mo, ay, eto, YY siya. Sige, we'll take that one out and then we'll grow that. And then, ayun,
Oh.
pag lumaki na, you can cross it with the XX.